is pretty much that. 2 months of hard work and we've got a mobile adventure wagon again. What are you doing? Hey, can finally get out and explore this amazing country that we've decided to call home. You know, basically been stuck in this field for 2 years, which is fine because, you know, look what we've got. But it's definitely time to get out and do some exploring again. And this little thing is what I'm going to do it in. There's still a few jobs to do, a few things to buy, but they're going to take time, and I just want to wrap this little van build series up, if you like, because this is the core of the build done. I could go camping in this now. I'm going to very soon. But I've still got to buy a fridge, which is going to live under the bed. That's what I built it for. I'm yet to buy a toilet. I've not made my mind up on that yet. I do have a poo spade in there, but when it's, you know, minus 20, minus 30, digging a hole, not really going to work, is it? So I do want a way of going to the toilet in there comfortably. So there's that. And then at some point in the future, I really want to put a window in this door. The reason I haven't done it yet is because I'm not exactly sure what the plan is. I don't want glass because that would be idiotic. I might as well have not insulated the van. So it's going to have to be a plastic or acrylic one, whatever it is. But they are £200 to £300 for anything of any kind of size, which is, I just can't justify that right now. That's a lot of money for a window. I think this entire van build, not including buying it, cost me under 500 quid. In fact, I'm pretty sure it cost under 500 quid. Obviously I already had a lot of the parts, but you know, that's what you get for being a hoarder, isn't it? And the van itself was only about, was it 900 quid, a grand, something like that. So all in all, for £1.5 grand, we're back on the road. That's pretty good. I'm sure that many things on this will change as we go, but I mean, that's what you sign up for, isn't it? When you build your own van, you have to accept that it's never going to be finished. That's part of the deal. But as an initial build out, I'm very happy with it. It's as simple as I can possibly make it. You know, there's no plumbing, there's no fixed gas, there's none of that. It's all very simple, easy, and not going to freeze, ultimately. And after the testing that I've done already, in terms of heating, I'm pretty convinced I'm going to be baking in here. So I don't think that's going to be an issue. I think that's a good place to conclude things. If you're new, if you've just found this video randomly, there's 7 or 8 parts before this showing pretty much the whole build right from day one. So if you want to see in more detail how it all went together, then go back, have a look at them. I've put them all in one playlist. I'll link it at the end of the video. But for everyone else, it's time to hit the road. I think this is going to be a lot of fun. The adventure can most definitely continue. Right, I'll see you all soon.